Alright, I wanted to do a restoration, but I didn't want to do anything like crazy today, so I've got this, what I call a doorknob screwdriver. I don't know where I got it. Somewhere, probably at the restore. But yeah, it looks like a doorknob. I kind of want to restore it, so we're gonna go with that. Probably kind of boring, but it's just neat, you know? So I'm just gonna start. Hopefully, can do that. I was hoping I could do that. Okay, we're gonna try to take the shaft out of it. Right quick. I know it's a mess over here. Do not judge me. It's fine. There we go. Okay. So now. Yeah, I'd say that's good. Alright, we'll go with that. It's definitely looking better. That looks pretty good. Can actually show it off in the light. But yeah. Turned out alright. There we go. Now you can actually see that. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna add this into the end of the screwdriver video. It's gonna make no sense, but this video is way too short. There's my cat. We had to shave her because she was getting all naughty, like her hair. So, anyways, I know the microphone is terrible right now, but I'll go grab it. I'll plug her in. But yeah, today we gotta take this and we gotta put it there. We got two 4.5-foot sections. I think that's what it is, and then we got these two spare parts, I guess. But I think we're looking at 8 3/4 feet right here, I think, or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. I'm pretty sure we got enough. I'm just gonna set you up and then just get at it, I guess. You know, I don't really know what I'm doing. Do a gap. Okay. Yeah, see now it's buckling or bowing or whatever because it's starting to singe down on this side. I don't know. Let's keep her going here. I should have grabbed more nails. I don't know. It don't look too bad. It's quite an atrocious gap up in this region, but that'll be fine.